guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Maridalia and this is Mary with Her. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. I mostly make fashion content, so if that's something that you like, I suggest you stick around and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So I just went shopping this past weekend. It is November. I work at a fashion office, and since we don't deal with customers, we got to dress comfy and stuff. So I was feeling like I was lacking more everyday stuff. Like sometimes I wake up in the morning and I just roll out of bed and I want to throw on some comfy clothes, like some cute sweatpants. So I like the look of like throwing on some sweatpants with some nice sneakers and a nice bodysuit, because you're comfy and it's easy and you're just out the door. But I needed more comfy clothes, some sweats and some comfy stuff, and also, you know, a couple cute things that is like a little extra, but it's more like it's extra but it's everyday, but you can wear it out at night, but also you can wear it throughout the day, you know what I mean? So I bought a pair of shoes and I bought some stuff at the mall, and I also bought some stuff from ASOS that just arrived today. So I was like, let me show the people on YouTube what I got. So I'll be unboxing that and I will show you guys what I got. So let me start off with the shoes. I bought one pair of shoes. I bought these sneakers. I've been needing new sneakers. But so I got these at Foot Locker. They were actually on special from 170 to 100. I think that they were trying to get rid of this model already. So I really like them. They're like almost like nude, like a pinky nude with the green. So I really like them, and I actually wore them to work yesterday, Monday, for the first time with these pants that I'm about to show you guys. I'll insert a photo on the side of the screen somewhere. And yeah, so I got these. I actually also last month got a couple of boots. I updated my little shoe rack for fall shoes, so stay tuned at the end of the video so I'll show you guys what I got, and I'll put where I bought it from, like the new purchases. I got some fall pumps and 2 boots, a knee boot and an ankle boot, and the rest I had already. So stay tuned at the end of the video to see what my little, you know, new fall shoe rack looks like. So let me start with the clothes that I already have out here. I already showed you guys the sneakers. So I got these pants at the mall at a boutique that I will be inserting the name somewhere at the bottom. I think they're only located in New Jersey, but I had never heard of this boutique before. And I was at the mall doing my thing and I walked into this shop, and I was a little concerned, to be honest, about purchasing. It was almost like purchasing online but in person, because most stores, as you guys already know, fitting rooms are closed, so you can't use them. So I was hesitant to purchase clothes because I wasn't sure if it ran through to size or not. So I got myself these pants and I love the detail. They're high-waisted. I will, as you guys already saw, and I'm sure that I inserted the photo somewhere on the screen, I wear them with these and a little orange top. So they're super comfortable. So they have these pockets and these details, and they also have those details at the ankles. So it goes like this. So it's a cute, comfy pants, perfect for fall. I always love camel in the fall. I used to have a pair of camel pants that I used to wear a lot to work last winter, but I wore them out and they ripped. So these are my new camel pants. And I also saw this little set and I had to get it. It's a little skirt. It's comfy, you know, because it looks like it's loungewear, like that sweatpants material, but at the end of the day it's like you can wear it every day, but it's also dressy. So it's that look that is like very cute but comfy. And this is the matching sweatshirt, so it's a hoodie but with a little corset detail, and I will be inserting a picture on the screen. I actually really like this one. I don't know, should I wear it with sneakers? Should I wear them with heels? Heels, or should I do sneakers and then just throw heels on at night, like wear it on the day that I know that I'm going to the bar afterward? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And then I got this little crop top because I thought it was cute. Feeling cute. So, feeling hella cute. So I liked it because my first thought was I could wear this with those high-waisted pants, but also I have a lot of high-waisted clothing. I have a high-waisted faux leather skirt with a zipper in the middle. I could wear that with this with a nice little blazer over it. I think it's a look. I can also wear this with my faux leather biker jacket. That's another look. I can wear this multiple ways because I do have a lot of high-waisted pants and skirts, so I know that I'm definitely gonna get wear out of this, or I can even wear them with some, you know, high-waisted sweatpants. So definitely gonna get wear out of that one. And then this is my ASOS package. So I got a couple graphic tees. I like graphic t-shirts. Actually, this is a medium, but I feel like it's very oversized. I usually tie it on the waist really tight, or I can wear this with leggings, so I'm not gonna care that it's baggy. I'm gonna be comfy. And it's like for work and like for every day to run errands and stuff. We really like this pink from ASOS, and the brand is Collusion. I think it's supposed to be oversized actually. This one. This is another tee. I think it's from the same brand. And this one is like a navy blue. Forgive me if my math is wrong. But World Tour 2039. So this one should fit similar to that one. I got a little crop sweater. As you guys can see, I have a pattern. I like crop tops and I like t-shirts for my everyday wear. On the gram, I always look so put together, but like for everyday wear, like if I'm just going somewhere, I like crop tops. So this is cute. I think it's gonna fit me just right. Yeah, it's very stretchy, so this is perfect for me. I don't think I can wear this to work. I think it's a little sheer. Unless I wear it under something. Over something. But yeah, I like the detail in the arms. And I like the material. It's really comfy. It's really nice. So a little crop sweater. And then I got some sweatpants. I got 3 pairs. Let me start with the most boring one. And leave the fun one for last. So I got these basic colored sweatpants. I really like this material. They're really nice. I love this material and I like how secure this is. I don't like those pants that they feel so cheap that it feels like the strand is gonna like come out one side and then you can't wear them anymore. That actually happened to me with a pair of sweats recently. They're just sitting there in my drawer, trying to figure out my life, how I'm gonna get it out. And then I got pink ones, because pink is actually my favorite color, ironically. And I actually don't wear a lot of pink. But if you guys want to see me wearing a lot of pink, just go check out my Barbie Halloween costume for 2020. I'll insert the picture right here. So I got some pink sweatpants. I really like this material. It's so good. Ugh, how cute with these. And like a little white tee. I like a little beige bodysuit. I actually have the perfect nude bodysuit. Like a turtleneck bodysuit with these, and it's just like I'm throwing on my Louis bag and I'm just gonna go run errands, or I'm just gonna go to work and just chill on my desk all day long. And then I got these. These are a little crazy, but I really like these. When I saw them, I was like, yes, it's a vibe. So these are 2 colors. I actually really like these. These actually match perfectly with the shoes that I'm wearing right now. And I actually have extra pink laces for these. They're in the closet. I still haven't used them. So I might just wear these with these. So yeah guys, that's all that I got for the fall season. I hope you guys liked it. Like I said, it's not like the most exciting haul, but it's like cute little stuff to wear for every day for the fall season. We are here in the fall vibes. I got my fall nails. I just did my nails this past weekend. I had black in October with G nails, and now these are my November nails. So yeah, I will show you guys at the end of the video the new, this was the comfy shoes, and I am going to show you the dressy shoes that I got last month. I got some pumps and some boots right now at the end of the video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @thestyle married her. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.